kind of big enough for the two of us.
Yes, it is.
No, it ain't.
Obviously, it is big enough for the both of us because you're here, I'm here, same town. We fit, so you're wrong, bub. Are you even listening to me? Fine. Rocky Mountains!
7.
Yeah, General Zanzibar. Yeah, I knew it would be you. What? 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 There's a boy trapped in a well. I better go save him. I gotta go, quick! Little boy, give me your hand! Give me your hand! Come on! Let's go! I'm trying to save ya! Let's go! Come on! Yeah! Come on! Let's go! Come. You just ripped off my hand, you little hand ripper! You get out of there! I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you! My hand! What the heck? Oh, my hand, you little well demon. Oh, it's right here. You are a good magician. You disappear on me every day like last Wednesday when I went to go make Eggs Benedict and you ran away. You ran away! Bad hand, bad hand, bad hand.
Ow. The light is flashing before my eyes. Oh, wait, I ate toothpaste.
How did you just die?
I got hit by a car.
The moral of the story is you should always get pina colada Slurpees from 7-Eleven without alcohol.
And it's fun when you get stuck in the rain with them.
That moral has nothing to do with the movie. That was just about the weirdest movie I've ever seen.
Well, I don't know about you, but the guy in the green shirt looked pretty cool.
Well, I don't know about you, but you talk too fast, and the guy in the brown shirt was much cooler. And the Who, he had a Who shirt on too.
Well, you know what? You know what? You're going home.
No, I'm not!
At 7.